Namaskar dosto. Welcome to the world of Java programming. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up your skills, in this video you will learn how to use the switch case statement in Java programming. In this program, you will see the switch case statement. As it is import java.util scanner, then public static, public class, whatever the class name, that is switch case example, then public static void main string args, as well we write in all the programs. The next is their scanner, the scanner class to accept any number. Then we are having some options, option 1, 2, 3, 4, and these options we are going to accept. Then here we have int choice is equal to scanner dot next int function to accept the choice among all the 4 options. Then switch choice case 1 is to enter 2 numbers, that is I'm going to accept first number and then I'm going to accept the second number. And in this program I'm going to add both the number, because here we have the first option is to add any 2 numbers, so I'm going to add any 2 numbers and I'm printing the result. Finally it is break. In the next option is to subtract any 2 number. So to subtract any 2 number, again I'm going to accept any 2 number, here you see, and then we are subtracting both the number and then printing the result and break, that is a stop. Case 2 stop. Now in case 3, what is there in case 3? Multiplication of any 2 number. So for this option, children, I'm going to accept again in 2 numbers in this case. Then we are calculating the multiplication, printing the result, break. Break is the end of the case. And the last option is to divide any 2 number. So here you see in this option, we are again going to accept any 2 number. Each and every case we are going to accept the number. That also we can do. The previous, in the first we can accept 2 number, then we perform all the operations. But here, each and every case I'm going to accept 2 numbers. That also you can do. And when you are calculating the division, you have to see whether the numerator is greater than denominator or not. That is very important. So here I am going to check whether the num2, that is num2 is not equal to 0. So something by 0 is infinity, that's why I am checking this. If it is not equal to 0, then we will perform the quotient and we will print the quotient. Otherwise, we will print the error message, divisible is not possible. That means we cannot divide by 0. There is the error message. No. Something by 0 is infinity. A computer cannot calculate the infinite value. And finally, the default statement is the error message, that is invalid choice. So here the options, 4 options are there. You can accept only 4 options. And that's it. Okay, children. If you don't understand, please you write some comments so that I can give you more and more programs. Now, I'm going to execute this program. So here, I'm going to execute this program. Yes, I am having now the choice, add, subtract, multiplication and division. So I'm going to choose the option 1. First option is 1. Press enter key. It's asking the first number. First number is 2. Enter. Second number is 3. Enter. Now the answer result is 5. Now again, if you want to execute the program, again you just go and void main and click here the second option. Now I am going to accept the second option. First option is addition, second option is subtraction. To accept second option, that is 2, press enter key. The first number is 2, second number is 3. Now you can see the result is -1, that is 2 minus 3 is -1. Now, I'm going to choose the third option. Right click, void main, third option. Third option is to multiply any 2 number. So again, we are going to accept the choice, that is third option. Again, accept 2 number, 2 and 3. The answer is 6. Then I'm going to accept the fourth option. That is to divide any 2 number. So here, the fourth option is 4, so I am going to choose fourth option. I want to divide any 2 number. Accept the first number, accept the second number. See, the answer is in point because I have taken double. Check the program. Here the value of A and B I have taken double. See, double number 1 and double number 2. So double can handle the point value. So that's why the answer is coming in point. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye-bye. Subscribe and click the bell button to get more videos in future.